Второй класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Мой день рождения. Домашнее задание. Страница 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. English. Starlight 2. My birthday. Homework. Page number 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 58. 58. Exercise number 1. Прочитай тексты про Эми и Марию. Споем песенку с днем рождения. Hello, I'm Emmy. It's my birthday today. I'm 5. Hello, I'm Maria. It's my birthday today. My family and friends are here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Emmy and Maria. Happy birthday to you. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 59. 59. Exercise number 2. Прочитай текст и отметь галочкой те слова из списка, которые в нем встретились. Birthday, hats, table, clock, friends, presents, cake. Hello, I'm Ellen. It's my birthday today. I'm 7. My friends are here to wish me happy birthday. That's my birthday cake. It's a chocolate cake, yummy. These are presents from my friends. These are my birthday hats. They are lovely. The answer. Birthday, hats, friends, presents, cake. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Расскажи своим одноклассникам, как ты празднуешь день рождения. Запиши свой рассказ. The answer. Hello, I'm Nika. This is my birthday party. I'm 9. My family and friends are here to wish me happy birthday. That's my birthday cake. It's a chocolate cake. These are presents from my friends, Mommy and Daddy. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 60. 60. The fisherman and the fish. Прослушай слова, покажи соответствующие им картинки и повтори слова за диктором. Напиши, кто сказал эти фразы. F. Рыбак. Y. W. Жена. G. Золотая рыбка. You are a fool. My wife needs a new bucket. You can have your wish. What do you want? This one is old and dirty. Go home now. Shout bucket. Old, new, dirty. The sun is shining. Swim, happy. The fisherman goes home. He tells his wife about the fish. "You are a fool," she shouts. "We need a new bucket. This one is old and dirty. Go back and ask the fish for a bucket." So the fisherman goes back to the sea. The sun is shining. He calls a golden fish. It swims up to the fisherman. "What do you want, good man?" it asks. "My wife wants a new bucket," says the old man. "Okay, you can have your wish. Go home now," says the fish and swims away. The fisherman goes home and sees a shiny new bucket. He is very happy. The answer: W, F, G, G, W, G. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 61, 61. Exercise number 2. Разгадай кроссворд, используя слова из сказки. The answer: wife, fish, bucket, shout, fool, golden. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Сыграйте в игру «Я хочу». I want. I want a new bike. Okay, you can have your wish. I want a new computer. Okay, you can have your wish. I want a new bike. Okay, you can have your wish. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 62. Exercise number 4. Прослушай песенку и спой ее. I want a new bucket. New bucket, new bucket. I want a new bucket. Go back to the fish. My wife wants a bucket. A bucket, a bucket. My wife wants a bucket. That is her wish. Go home to your bucket. Your bucket, your bucket. Go home to your bucket. Splish, splish, splash, splish, splish. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 63. 63. Exercise number 1. Повтори звуки и слова за диктором и покажи соответствующие им картинки. A bird, her, owl, mouse, cow. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Прочитай слова и предложения вслух своим одноклассникам. A, her, bird, girl, shut, circle, 13, birthday. A bird for the girl's birthday. She's 13 today. Happy birthday. Owl, mouse, cow, how. Now, out, shout. house, down, flower, count, town, mouth, brown, clown. Wow, says the mouse. A cow that can count. I'm from a special town, dear mouse. Come and see. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Посмотри на картинки, заполни пропуски соответствующими буквосочетаниями. Закончи слова и прочитай их. The answer: girl, house, shot, clown. Boys and girls, do exercise number 4. Прослушай песенку и спой ее. Count the candles, birthday girl. Count the candles now. Count the candles, birthday girl. Blow them out and shout, happy birthday. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.